Hi, I'm Jenny from Landscaper's Pride. Let me show you how we take our finished product from the yard in through the bagging line and it lands on the stores for you to find. We bring our product into these hoppers. It rides a conveyor belt into the building. It then comes down through one of our 3 automated bagging lines. We've got roll stock plastic. Today it's black velvet set up on the line. These machines are set up to fill exactly what we need today. This is 2 cubic foot. The bags are sealed and filled. We do a quality check. We make sure that the seams are all good. We make sure that the right volume is in the bag. You're getting what you're paying for. The bag goes up the conveyor belt and then it goes into the palletizer. The palletizer is set up based on the product that we're running. Today it's black velvet, 52 bags per pallet. It shows up to you looking good, finished bag just like this, finished pallet. A bag line like this running black velvet on one line all day can make 200 pallets per day. We've got 3 automated bagging lines, 10,000 bags per day per line. We've got volume, we're sending it to you at the stores.